entering the bathroom. Before entering the bathroom, we read this dua.
Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith.
Let's hear that again.
Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith.
Now you try.
Bismillah. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubthi wal-khaba'ith.
This means, in the name of Allah, O Allah, I seek refuge in you from all evil and evildoers. Then, after leaving the bathroom, we simply read
غفرانك.
This means, I ask you, Allah, for forgiveness. Let's hear it again.
غفرانك.
Easy.